Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will learn how to clone virtual machine on VirtualBox and also explore the key difference between cloning and snapshots. Both are great tools, but they serve very different purpose. Let's get started. Why clone virtual machines? Quickly understand why cloning virtual machine is useful. Cloning creates an exact copy of an existing virtual machine. It's perfect for setting up identical environments without starting from scratch. You can experiment on the clone while keeping the original VM unchanged. This can save a lot of time when working on multiple setups. Cloning versus snapshot. Before jumping into the cloning process, let's clarify how cloning differs from taking snapshots. Cloning creates a separate independent copy of virtual machine. It does not rely on original VM after the clone is created. Useful for duplicating environments for testing and scaling. And the snapshot captures the current state of virtual machine including its disk, memory and settings. Changes made after a snapshot are saved as deltas, which depends on the original VM. Great for rolling back to the previous state during testing and troubleshooting. For example, take a scenario using cloning to set up a multiple isolated VMs for different projects or a different use case, and use snapshot to create restore point while experimenting on a single VM. Preparing the virtual machine for cloning. Ensure your virtual machine is powered off. Finalize all the configuration before you start cloning. Review virtual machine setting to avoid issues in the clone. Steps to clone a virtual machine. Right click on the VM, select clone, enter the name for the clone VM and choose the clone type. There are two types of clone: full clone and linked clone. And then click on complete wizard and start the VM. These are the steps of virtual machine. In the next step, we will see the practical how to clone the virtual machine. Let's go to the next slide. The difference between full clone versus linked clone. Full clone is a completely independent copy of your virtual machine. It takes more storage space because it creates a new disk. You can use and modify it without affecting the original virtual machine. And the linked clone type is like a shortcut to the original virtual machine. It saves space by sharing the disk of the original virtual machine. But if the original virtual machine is deleted or changed, the linked clone can be affected. So next slide is summary. So we will uh, I will recreate it. Let me delete this virtual machine. Right click on the VM, click on clone, give the name, select the clone type, full clone, and click on finish. It will take few seconds to clone the virtual machine. Virtual machine is cloned successful. Now right click on the machine and you can start. This will take some time to power on the virtual machine. So I will log into the virtual machine now. I'm successfully logged into the virtual machine, clone virtual machine. I will check the OS details. A fully cloned virtual machine ready to use. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into issue, let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Keep exploring. Thanks for watching.